Welcome friends. In this video we are going to discuss about Python data types. Okay, you already know how we get or return the type of a particular variable through one function called a type. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss only enter the data. Here we have to check this data which will assign to a variable and what is the type of the data. Fine, what is the type of the data is going to be returned, and one by one you know about everything, what are the different types we are using inside the Python. So let's begin. So what are the built-in data types? The data types which is already defined or declared by the Python compiler or interpreter, that is called a built-in data types. It's an important concept. Okay, data type means what type of value the variable can access. What type of value the variable can access is generally defined called as a data type. The variables are generally store the data. Different types can different things. Okay, now see what are the different types. Here you see all the different Python types or built-in types. First is text type, second is a numeric type, third is a sequence types, fourth is a mapping types, then a set types, set and frozen set, then comes out a boolean type, then comes out a binary type. Means here we extract memory information, some memory information in the byte form, like bytes, byte array, memory view. Okay, these are the all the types, and how could you check all the types? So let's begin as a practical. So I have to switch my view, new window, and here we go for the Python code. Fine. I switch from C++ to the Python. Okay. So now we are generally check what type it is going to be written. Already I built this video on my previous videos. You go through there and see what are the points I have covered. In this video, if you have any doubt regarding data types of a Python, you clear it through this video. So now I have to create Python data type .py. Fine. Python has Python data type. First we are going to check text. X equal to, that is going to be string. String means this is a string. Fine, this is a string. Then print within bracket type, then there is X. What is the return? The return is string. If you have a single character also, that is called as a also string. X. Okay, that is also here declared as a string type or string class. Yes, already defines string. If you have a double quote or single quote, whatever, the Python don't count it as a character, it is a string. C. Now check it. Fine. Yes, I will build another time. Yes, all the string means if you have a single quote or double quote, Python does not care. It counted as a string type. Then next, it complete the string type. Then go for the, so here I will declare as a text type. Now another is after text type, what is the second? There is a numeric type. Numeric type comes under int, float and complex. So first we check the int, then here numeric type. Numeric type comes under int, float, complex. Fine, int, float and complex, numeric type. So here x equal to 5, then it returns, okay, here return class int type. Fine, this is the int. Here x is returned to int. Then x equal to 5.5. Sorry. Then it returns float. Okay, it returns to float. Here type is float. Then x equal to complex means I not 1 j. Okay, then here x is not semicolon, x is complex. Okay, x is here complex, ij, 1j, 2j, 3j, imaginary number. Fine, so here complex. You check everything here, numeric type, then go for another. Then next, sequence types, list, tuple, range. Sequence type. Sequence types comes under list, tuple, range. Then now list. So L equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Fine. If you going to print the type of that L, what is going to be returned? Fine. Another time I am going to run it. It's return you complex. Here, okay, sorry. Here x is will be given. Here you have to declare L, not x. Yes, it is return you list type. Okay. Then tuple, t equal to, within bracket you have to give in single quote a, comma single quote b, comma single quote c. Fine. Then here I have to declare as a t. Then it returns to tuple, tuple, tuple. Then range. Range is inbuilt function is there. Okay. If you go for the range, here I will return range. Range, that is one type is int, that is 6. Okay, range from starting to end. Yes, it returns to the type range as a 6. Okay, then after that sequence types, then mapping type dictionary, then mapping type comes under DICT, dictionary. So D equal to curly bracket key with value 1 used to key roll used to 1 2, comma name used to QWERTY. Then now print D. So here it returns dictionary. Okay, print D. So here you have to type D, dictionary. Okay, here it returns the type D. Fine. I am going to only print the current type. Fine, that's why I am delete the above one. Then next, it is completed the dictionary, then set type, then frozen set, then set type, has set type, set frozen set, then set first s curly bracket, then double quote, apple orange, then mango. Fine. Then here when you are going to run it, it return the set type. Okay, this is the type of s. Fine. Then it returns the set, and when you to go for the frozen set, it is be written as a within frozen set. Okay, frozen frozen set bracket curly bracket, you type apple, that is within double quote, apple, then comma, within double quote you have to type orange, within double quote you type mango. Fine, everything you type within double quote. Then here go for the type frozen set, means here you have to go for the print frozen set. If you assign this particular set to the particular variable s1 equal to this, then you here type directly s1, not required for the frozen set. Okay, it returns you frozen set type. Then go for next type. Next type comes out a bool, that's a boolean type, has boolean type. So here b equal to b single quote b, then write any number, then what is going to be written, b. So run it. Here b is not a defined. Okay, b is not a defined. B here given an error, just a minute. B okay, just a minute. Okay, here you have to write bool function, that's a 5, and when you going to print what is the type of that bool, and it is returned to you bool. Okay, and if you only print the b, it returns you true. If you need that is 0, it returns you false, and also return type is bool. Fine, understood? Then has binary types, then binary types, bytes, comma byte array, then memory view, bytes, byte array, memory view. Fine. Okay, then first we have to go b equal to bytes, then ints, it returns bytes. Okay, it returns class bytes. I will comment this particular line which interrupt is. Then next b equal to byte array, then 6. You have to define one integer value here. Then go for the B. It's given you byte array. Okay, these are the binary types. Then B equal to memory view object. Here object means byte defined as a 6, and it will returns you address, and it returns you memory view. And if you want to print the B, what is going to be written? It returns the memory address. Print B, it returns you memory at byte, which will be the 6. The data is going to be stored in B, and the address is this, memory at this, and the type is memory view. Okay, the type is memory view. So these are the types. In this video I will clarify you each and every types that is going to be used in upcoming videos and upcoming programs in Python. So you have to remember, because it's a very important. If you forget all these things, then it is very difficult to writing code in a Python. So you have to first remember the basic types like text, list, tuple, set, dictionary. These are the basic types. Then bool is another type. Then bytes, byte array, memory view. These are the very simple, and mostly you when you are going to be any problem, then the bytes, these particular types are going to be needed. Okay, so first of all, you go through each and every type and do it as a practical. Take it as a serious. If you are not taking as a serious, then it's up to you, because upcoming time there is some complexity arises in these videos, and also it is very complex for you also to learn further. Okay, it's a step-by-step thing. You learn the things very clearly. Fine, thank you. And also please like, share, subscribe, and click on the bell icon. When I am going to upload any video, you get the notification. Now thank you.